Okay, well, that was successful. A little bit too successful.
So we got some personalized gifts for Alexandra to use on Instagram.
Me and Alana are showing you guys my like everyday glowy makeup routine. Hey guys, so welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's kind of funny because you may have seen a vlog where Danny and I were in Florida going to Target. Well, back in Toronto, and what am I doing but going to Target? So Alana, she can drive, unlike me, and her mom is off work for the week, so Alana's like, can I use your car? And suggested, she's like, why don't we go to Target and look for spring clothes, because we have been saying how excited we are to be able to work from home in the summer, and like we're just gonna work at coffee shops and on patios, and we keep talking about how we just want to wear cute summer dresses. So we are heading to Target today. It's very snowy, so shopping for spring will be great, and I'm gonna take you guys along. Also, Lottie with her poor little surgery onesie on. How are you, Mrs.? Oh, my sweets. You guys, we made it. I'm so excited. You ready?
I'm so ready.
You guys, this is the dress that inspired the Target shop. I've never seen a more me dress in my life. How cute. So I said that we're shopping for clothes, which we are, but
I'm a little off track.
guys, their cushion game is strong today. Okay, so this is my cart. And this is Alana's cart. Cute. Okay, well, that was successful. A little bit too successful, but to be fair, it wasn't just for me. It's for shoots and stuff. Coordinated shopping haul. It's all pink. Big surprise. We're done. It's freezing. Alana, do you want to go to Chipotle? Hi, friends. What day is it today? Does anyone know?
Thursday.
Thought it was Wednesday. Today, we're in this stunningly beautiful loft in downtown Toronto. I'm gonna link it down below. They rent it out for photo shoots and video shoots. It's basically this massive studio. This is the kind of loft that I eventually want to invest in and work in. But today we're doing a video that you guys have requested. Me and Alana are showing you guys my like everyday glowy makeup routine, and yeah, that'll be on my channel very soon. Let me give you a tour of what the space looks like.
Oh, hi.
Other Alana found this space. There's so many Alanas.
I know.
So we're shooting some merch photos today as well. And yeah, Carla's joining us. Look at this light. It's just so, so, so beautiful. Look who arrived. Look at how cute you are. Okay, guys. Alana took on a project that is very exciting. We have a sneak peek. Wait, there's two Alanas. Alana C and Alana A. Alana A. Okay. Show the vlog.
Alana A here.
Alana A here.
So we got some personalized gifts for Alexandra to use on Instagram. So cute. They're done by Leandra Cianci.
So Leandra is a friend of mine, and she is an amazing illustrator. I'll link her down below. But yeah, Alana and I were both like, we should have gifts. I love when you guys send in your DIYs that you've done after watching my videos and feeling inspired. So yeah, I want something to like have on those photos and cute little gifts. Anyways, I think if you just search my name, Alexandra Gater, you should be able to find them in the next couple weeks, which is really exciting. Okay, I think we're starting to shoot now. Right, Carla? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra. This is Alana.
Hi.
My dear friend Alana. The video is done. Sorry. Look at my makeup. Alana always does such an amazing job. I feel so great. The video will be up soon on Wednesday. I think next Wednesday it's going up. And yeah, I would really love to know what you guys think about it. I know it's not home decor related, but you guys asked for it, so we delivered. So now we're just getting a few headshots of other Alana and some of me as well, and then we're gonna wrap. I'm also doing something very exciting tonight. I'm going to a Sorry Girls party. Now, you guys might not know this about me, but I'm a huge Sorry Girls fan, to the point that I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna handle myself when I meet them tonight. I mean, I've already met Kelsey, but I'm intimidated. Anyways, it'll be fun. But now my makeup's all done for the party. Yay! Bundled up, saying goodbye to the beautiful loft, and heading out into the tundra because it's yeah, it's a blizzard out there. Okay, so it is now Friday. Thank God, that was a long week.
Thank God it's Friday.
It was a long week, but it was good. So Alana and I went to Target, as you guys saw a couple weeks ago. If you're new to my channel, Alana is my production assistant. So she helps with like all the shoots, organizes everything, basically makes so I don't cry on a daily basis. Her Instagram will be linked down below. She has the most beautifully curated Instagram ever. So go follow her. Okay, so yeah, we went to Target and we got we went specifically to like shop for clothes and then ended up getting a lot of decor. It's decor for shoots that we're doing, so we wanted to give you guys a sneak peek, and then for the makeovers coming out, you'll see the stuff in the videos. Do you want to go first?
So I needed some new little black boots. Got these like Chelsea style boots. They're only $25.
They're so cute.
Such a steal.
They're like rain boots.
Yeah,
and they're
perfect for spring.
So good.
So excited to wear them.
You wore them yesterday and they looked so good. We did a really fun photo shoot, again, as you guys saw yesterday. Maybe I'll insert a couple of the pictures here that we took, because they look really good. But again, you'll see them on Instagram, so make sure you're following both of us. Okay, so I got this beautiful dress. I'm obsessed with it. It's really long and it has like lots of ruffle details. Just such a nice, easy, breezy summer dress. And I think this was $20 or something. Anyways, I will link all the products down below. But yeah, I love this. And it comes in so many other colors, which is great. That was like the only clothing. Well, no, I also got this sweater, actually. Not very spring-like, but it's very, very cozy. And I got it in a black, too. It's like, this was on sale for $7,
yeah.
Which...
It was in the sale section.
I've been wearing this and the black one for the past, like, 3 days. It's great.
So I got this bag. This is a treat-yourself purchase. I didn't really need a new bag, but I'll show the front. Yeah, so cute. Kind of boho. It was $35. Hopefully it'll fit my laptop because then I can bring it to work.
I love it.
But if not, oh well. It'll just be like a beach bag or something.
Alana and I have this like vision of our summer selves working coffee shops, on patios. Yeah. So hence the Target shop. Okay, the next item we got is for a photo, I always say for a photo shoot, for a video shoot. Not sure whose bedroom we're gonna make over yet, but I saw this. It was on sale for $35, and it's a fringe and tassel duvet cover set. It's so cute. It's like this dusty pink color, and it was originally $70, so on sale for $35. So we're gonna store this in, I know, we're gonna store this in the prop loft and then use it for a makeover. It has like cute little like fringe bits. I also got a bag that I didn't really need, but I'm just a sucker for all things
it's a really good one.
Semicircle right now. It has this cute little bead and tassel detail. Thought it would just be nice if I'm like running out somewhere and I don't want to bring my whole purse. It's like a clutch.
Yeah.
Like a boho clutch. If you guys aren't subscribed to the Decor Edit, Alana and I curate style and decor picks every week right to your mailbox. So cute little finds like this from Target and other clothing stores and home decor stores. So we'll also leave a link to sign up down below. We are always looking for like certain items, I would say, like bath towels, knobs. Freaking
bath
knobs
towels are hard to come by.
They are. Things that we're always like hunting for. I thought we may as well just buy them. So these are from the Hearth and Hand Joanna Gaines's line. They're really cute. They kind of have that Turkish towel look on the outside, but then on the inside they feel like a regular towel, which is nice. Okay, so we're making over with Wendy's bathroom in a couple weeks, which I'm so excited about. These aren't for her, but stay tuned for that bathroom makeover, and then for whoever we use these in.
This is a little foaming face mask. It's mango.
A foaming.
Yeah, I know. Have you seen those where it like bubbles? I've always wanted to try it, so I grabbed this. And Target's very good for like those little self-care products. Like you just throw 12 or like 100 of them.
Yeah, I know. We were walking through the aisles and we were like, oh, everything's so different. Like we don't. Yeah,
we really miss Target here in Canada.
But then when we were driving back, we were like, that didn't take that long to get there. We're gonna make it like, you know, a somewhat regular thing. Yeah. Okay, these are from the dollar section of Target at the front. These were $5 and they're just garden shears, and I just don't have any. And whenever I get flowers or we're on a shoot and I need to like cut something like floral, I never have little pruners, so these are garden pruners. And they're $5, which is great. Oh, those are so you.
These are just little push pins.
Yeah,
they're just like little wood push pins. I don't have a bulletin board.
No, you need one. Going through the whole stationery section, I was like, I'm so excited for Alana to have a desk one day, because hopefully we're gonna move into a studio at some point soon.
So excited.
So Alana will have her own desk. She won't be working on my dining room table.
Love it still.
I mean, I guess there's cats here. That's gonna be hard when we move into a studio. We're not gonna have Lottie or Harriet.
No, Lottie's gonna come.
Yeah, Lottie will. Yeah, actually, she probably will. Okay, the next item I got is something we also find like kind of difficult to source, just like simple but beautiful tea towels, like kitchen towels. So these are also from Joanna Gaines's line. I really, really like these. And then I also got this one. I love them. And these were only $3. Yeah, $4. $3.99, which is amazing.
Sock mask.
Have you ever tried, okay, this is kind of gross, maybe we should talk about Have you ever tried baby feet?
No.
Okay guys, let me know in the, I feel if you know, you know. Just Google it.
Okay, well.
After we're done this video. Let me know in the comments if anyone has used baby feet before. It's an experience.
Is it similar to this?
I think so, because I'll tell you. So baby feet is like, you put it on, you let it sit for an hour, and then over the course of 2 weeks, your skin like sheds. Like your foot, your whole foot just like sheds. And then you have baby feet. Will not confirm that I've tried it. Will not deny it either. Anyways, have fun with that.
I know, when you can't like go out for a pedicure, you just have to do like a little quick at home thing. Yeah, I thought I'd try it.
That's all your self-care purchases.
Yeah.
Okay, we are traveling a lot in the next couple months, so I got these like travel dividers, travel cubes. I've always wanted some of these. My suitcase is always a mess, so yeah, these look cute. And it comes with 4 pieces and this cute pink color.
So these are for me. Just kidding.
Show up to work in your dinosaur slippers.
I honestly wish.
Yeah.
I'd totally buy that for myself. So these are little dinosaur slippers. Yeah. My boyfriend's cousin's wife is having a baby,
So cute.
Due in June. It's a boy. Yeah, Maria, if you're watching this, I'm getting these little dinosaur slippers.
Also, they're so small.
I know.
Like, I can't. I am redoing my living room. We're shooting that in a couple weeks. I'm so excited. Even though the living room is finally kind of how I want it, because this is my job, I have to always come up with new content. So I'm completely redoing this living room, and I got this beautiful cushion for my couch. For the living room makeover, we're doing a really fun paint accent wall, so you guys don't want to miss it.
It's gonna be so cute.
Oh, it's gonna be so cute. We also stopped at Trader Joe's on the way home. I've talked about this before. I love using this on my bagels with like avocado. It's just a really great seasoning. It's everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. So it basically tastes like an everything bagel, but as a seasoning.
Yum.
Yeah, it's for Wendy's bathroom. Wendy, I hope you're not watching this. Cute little hand towel. Again, like, hand towels are really hard to find here that are decorative and cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. If anyone knows, if anyone wants to sponsor us for our hand towel and like bathroom towel needs,
reach out.
Reach out.
Alana at AlexandraGater.com.
Yeah, reach out. No, but seriously, if you guys like ever want to reach out about anything, Alana is usually the one to reply and stuff. So this is putting a face to the name. Okay, that's it for me.
Okay. Wait, let's cut back to the video of Alexandra's like overflowing cart. I swear that's not it. This was in the dollar section. They were literally $1. It's a little pollinator kit. This one's coneflower and this one's zinnia. The pots are biodegradable, so I think you just put them in soil.
Amazing.
And then the flower grows.
I love that.
Yeah. Save the bees.
Shout out to Jordan.
Yeah.
Jordan, we love you.
My boyfriend Jordan. He asked me to pick him up some Fruity Pebbles. So
what are Fruity Pebbles? Do we know?
It's a good cereal, apparently.
They're just pebbles that are fruity.
Yeah, we don't have them in Canada, so.
Love that.
And then my brother made a request that I pick him up some Starburst jelly beans.
A few other things that we got for shoots. These shower curtains, they're so cute. They're just like different.
I feel like brassy, if you can see.
And again, with that like kind of semicircle shape, really cute. We also got this for a bathroom makeover we're doing, which is exciting. Little toothbrush holder. And this is super cute as well for the bathroom makeover that we're doing. So cute for like guest towels, or if because we're doing a corporate space. So really cute, yeah, for like disposable napkins and stuff for people to use. And that's it.
Yes.
Woo! That was a fun trip.
Very successful Target haul.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you next week. Bye.